Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag and the slow problem on Roblox. So all what you have to do to fix it is very easy and simple. Just go to any server on Roblox. For example, I choose this one, it's a nice one. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top corner and click on Roblox logo in the top like this, and then click on this settings option right here. And now all what you have to do is make the camera mode on default like this, and the movement mode default also, and then scroll down and make the full screen off if you want. But what will fix this problem is this option right here. It's called graphics mode. Make sure to make it manual like this, and then go down and you will find the graphics quality. Make sure to make it as lower as possible like this, and then go back and your Roblox is gonna be more faster. Don't forget to like to this video to support me for more educational videos. See you.